Yeah, hi. So this is the part one, task one, GitHub integration with Jenkins, or I call it the CI pipeline stages description. Where, well, first I pre-install the Python packages in Docker, and here's how I set up the pipeline. So here's a pipeline, and I upload it to GitHub here, and as you can see, I have a successful build. Maybe if we go to config, you can see that I have the 1 minute scheduler, and here's the pipeline script taken from Git. And let me demonstrate how it's automatically update it checks every 1 minute to see if there is any update from GitHub. So I just upload so I just update the code, and now you will see everything here. We can see that there's an 18 update here. Okay, it's loading. So it's a success, and yeah, that's basically it. It's just, well, this pipeline just describing what a pipeline would be. Like I explain, what you need an integration test, and what should I use, or what code analyst tools I need to use, and how to security scan it. But I just describe it. I didn't fully finish the pipeline, but you will get the an idea on how it works. And yeah, that is for part 1 task 1. Hi, so this is part 1 task 2, DevSecOps basics. And first I will create a repo name with this kind of name, and I clone the Node.js Goof project, and I set up the Docker for Node.js and npm. The Docker is from the clone. So if we take a look at so I clone it, and it has a Docker file here, so I will use this Docker file to install the necessary packages. So here's the Docker, and here's I add this Jenkins to the repo, to my repo. So here's the Jenkins file. I modified it a bit from the task sheets. So here's the task sheets. So it's basically the same thing. It showcase the security scans. I think showcasing the security scan is the most important one. And if we click build now, I didn't set GitHub, what do you call that, the GitHub triggered in this task, because it didn't say it's required for GitHub scan. But anyway, here's here's a build. So let me see the run test, right? So we can see here it shows detecting the vulnerability, the security scans, and the output is here. Are all the outputs based on the code on the pipeline given to me by Jenkins. And yeah, I think that's it. So hi everyone, this is part 2 task 1, DevSecOps with Sonar Cloud. And first I log into the Sonar and generate the token, the security token. Here's the token, and now I create a project, yeah, create a Sonar project with the repo. So I connect it and create the organization, and now I will create the Sonar project properties file, and I push it into the Git repo, and here's a Jenkins setup. I add the Sonar credential, so I update the previous pipeline. Yeah, I update the previous pipeline to add the Sonar cloud, and here I will run the build again. We can see that the pipeline runs successfully, and now I will refresh this, and we can see that we can see the potential security fault. So we can see that this one has hard-coded password, and yeah, that's it for this task. So this is the final task where I need to send the finished pipeline to the email, and I just need to install the plugin and extend the pipeline a bit to add the mailing thingy, and I'll just show you. So let me just commit something. I'll be reusing the pipeline from task 1. So we wait a bit. Okay, it has been sent. The email has been sent here.